man pushed his own two toddlers out of a 15th floor window. He didn't eat alone. He did it because his girlfriend demanded it. His name is Zhang Bo. He's the father of two. His girlfriend Ye Chengchen. She couldn't accept them. In the leaked WeChat message, she called these innocent children obstacles to their future. She forced him to choose the children or her. On November 2nd, 2020, Zhang grabbed his daughter and his son and threw them to their deaths. Then he ran downstairs and staged a scene, crying like a grief father. It was all a cold-blooded act. In the end, the police uncovered the truth. Chat history revealed that Zhang and Ye had conspired together to murder the two children. These two monsters were executed in January 2024.